Okay, hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. I will be making chicken tacos today. I got some hard shells, some soft shell bowls. This is my first time trying them. I've got some chicken breast. I'm also gonna make some chicken and rice, so make sure you watch that video as well. I'm just gonna start by cleaning my chicken. You have to always clean the chicken, at least rinse it over good. Pick all of the fat or like excess whatever you don't want. You got to get it up off of there. Yeah, so I just decided that I would split this chicken into two separate meals. My boyfriend doesn't really eat chicken and rice, so I'm going to prepare the chicken tacos for him. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I rinse this, and I will be back in the next clip.
Okay guys, so in this clip, I am just cutting my chicken. You don't have to cut it any type of way, like you could just cut it so it's not as chunk-a-munk as it is. It will just cook faster, the seasoning can get into the meat better. You know, sometimes with chicken breasts, if you don't maybe like fillet them, the seasoning doesn't get into it good. You know, the cooking of the meat is not even, like some pieces will be tender or some pieces can be a little tough. But yeah. So I'm just cutting them into basically like tenderloin strips or chicken strips or whatever you want to call them. And yeah, that's it. So in my next clip, you will see that I am going to be putting the chicken into the taco seasoning. And yeah, so I will see you then.
Okay guys, so in this clip, as you can see, I am just stirring up the taco seasoning to make sure I get all of the lumps out. You know, I don't think it would matter if there were lumps in it or not, but I'm just mixing it up. I poured some water, maybe like a cup. I didn't measure, you know, it doesn't really matter. I poured a cup of water and I'm mixing it up, and I'm just going to place these chickens in here and let them marinate up for maybe 15 minutes. And yeah, I will see you when we put them on the George Foreman. So here they are. They're almost done. Yeah, so I cooked them maybe 15 minutes. That might have been a little too long because the chicken was kind of dry. But yeah, these blickies are nice and done. I just wanted to test one out to see how tender it would be. Once I plate them, I'm actually going to just shred them roughly with my fork, and yeah, we're good to go. We can put whatever kind of toppings. We got cheese, sour cream, lettuce, salsa, whatever. Yeah, so I will see you at the end. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Here's the finished product. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.